Welcome to qnawire.
So this problem shows two atom structures. Number one looks like this, and number two looks like this, where these are offset towards these. Let's see if I can draw this a little better. Like this. They're offset. And so letter A wants to draw the unit cell. And so for the first one, it's just a square where you have the atoms like this. And that's for number one. Number two is like this, where there's diagonal lines. Letter B asks what is the gamma, or the angle between the two lattice vectors, so this angle here. And so for I, gamma equals 90 degrees, and for II, gamma equals 120 degrees. And letter C asks what is the type of lattice for these two. And so number one is going to be a square lattice, and number two is a hexagonal lattice.